friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today is a very exciting day on my channel. It is a day that we all know and love. It is the day that I unbox my Stitch Fix unboxing. We're all so excited. So this one I will give slight spoilers for. I did already open, but I haven't actually looked at the items. I just wanted to eliminate the wrestling wrapping portion of this video that I normally cut out and get rid of. Anyways, so for those of you that don't know or haven't seen these other videos on my channel, the Stitch Fix subscription service that I supply to every month is a subscription clothing service that sends you clothing on a 2 to 3 week, monthly, yearly, quarterly basis, I believe, are the time frames. Excuse me. I'm a little bit like all over the place today. And they send you 5 items of clothing that are picked for you by a personal stylist based off your preferences. You do in a style quiz and you can pick what you like, what you don't like, send it back, and you also get things covered in a $20 styling charge. So I tend to put that towards at least one of my items because then it's basically like it's already being paid for. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into everything. As always, there will be a next portion of this video where I try everything on so you can see what it looks like on my body. Alright, so first thing that we have here in the box is, oh, this is cute. A really cute, oh, this is short. I don't know how this is gonna go. This is just a little like cropped bronze. What color is this? Not a mustard. Why am I thinking this is mustard? What color even is this? This is a dark pink, really? This is the All in Favor Cartney Surplice Detail Cami Blouse in dark pink, size small. In what world is that dark pink? That's like a brown, right? Am I crazy? It looks brown on camera, it looks brown in person, trust me. Yeah, so there's this one. This is super cute. I'm a little worried about the size on this just because it is so cropped. I do have a short torso, however, so we'll see what happens. Who knows? Next, we've got, what is this? Oh, okay, so this is like a workout, I don't know how I feel about this, I'll be honest. So this is like a workout turtleneck. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's like the super long neck that kind of bunches. It's got the strings to pull it tight. It's like a jersey, stretchy material. I feel like I got something really similar to this in last month's box, which I will say I like the style of a lot more. This is something more that my mom would wear, like the big open neck, really flowy, like that kind of vibe. But this is the Pink Clover Shania knit top in olive size small. I do love me an olive colored anything, so this is cute. I just don't know about the neck. I don't know. It's not my vibe usually, but we'll see. Next we have, ooh, this is cute. Okay, so this is like a blazer, and you guys know if you watched any of my other videos, I got an olive blazer from, again, I think last month's box that I really, really liked, and it was really cute. And I don't think you can have too many blazers. That and leather jackets, I've got so many of. But this is a really cute, like maroon, that's the color. See, it's more of a maroon, same with the tank top, like maroon, really cute detailed. Like this is really cute. Like I really like this, honestly. And this is the Skies Are Blue. Oh, I've gotten stuff from them before. The Skies Are Blue Raja collarless blazer in burgundy size small. Okay, that's what I was thinking. This more seems burgundy. This more seems like maroon, dark pink. I don't know. It looks darker on camera, honestly. But this is really cute. I like the scrunch sleeves. I like the collarless aspect. I'm excited about this. I think this will be good. Okay. Sorry, I hope there's not too much rustling that you guys can hear. But then next we have, I really wish I would have gotten this box before I went on a business trip. We have some slacks. So this is very like corporate box, which is normally different than what I've gotten in the past, but I really like. These are really cute, very basic like gray slacks. They look really small at the bottom, which I really like. I don't know if their pants usually fit me pretty well, so we'll see how this one goes. But these are the Cut from the Cloth Catherine straight leg trouser in gray size 0. Again, their pants usually fit me pretty good. I never really had any complaints about their pants. It seems pretty stiff, which again, I'm not like the hugest fan of blazers, or what are these things called? Slacks, whatever you want to call them. I told you guys, my brain was fried. So yeah, I just picked a pair of these up, almost identical actually to the pair that I got at Target for probably half the price. So I'm probably, just from first instinct, not gonna keep these just because I have something nearly identical and I don't need 2 pairs. I don't. So we'll see how that one goes. Next and final object here in the box is this beautiful, oh, this is really cute. Like this beautiful teal, it looks a lot bluer on camera. It's a little more green in person, but this is a teal, what color does it say it is? Dark green. Okay, so it looks definitely bluer on camera than it comes across in person, at least on my end. But it's definitely like a dark forest green in person. But this is the Fortune and Ivory Sienna Twist Detail Blouse, dark green size small. This is actually really cute, and it does have that little twist detail up in the front, which I'll be interested to kind of see how that fits. It does look a little sheer. I don't know if you guys can kind of see through it you can see the books behind me. But yeah, this is actually really cute, and I think just for work with, like, again, a dark pair of jeans, even something like those slacks, this would be a really cute outfit. This top I'm actually wearing, I did get from Stitch Fix as well, so their blousey kind of things tend to fit me pretty well. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Alright, you guys, so that is everything that I got in my box for this month for December. I can't believe the year is almost over. And now on to one of my favorite portions of the video. Let's see how everything looks on my body. Let's do it. First outfit. So this is the, oh, that's interesting. Wow, alright. So this is the, obviously, workout top. I'm honestly, like, I like this. It's cute. It fits well, but the whole, like, I feel like I just have, like, a tire around my neck. Like, I don't, this is, it's cute, but, like, for some reason, this, I don't know, man. This just isn't for me. It's cute, but more than likely, like, actually, no. Like, I'm not gonna keep this. My mom would love something like this, but I can't do it. It's not for me. So next is the little cropped tank top. I'm actually not mad at this. I actually have started to really like the, like, crisscross style on myself, just because, as you guys know, got a bigger chest, tend to be more of a martini shape, and these kind of tops I think tend to just fit my body a little bit better as I've gotten older. My chest has kind of just grown, so I'm not mad at this. It's a little shorter than I would like, because these are not like super like high-rise jeans. No, that's not the word. You guys know what I'm talking about. And I think if I had them like a little bit more high-waisted, there we go, I would probably like this a little bit more, but the fit of it actually isn't too bad. Like, I think this is actually kind of cute. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? This is kind of a, I'm up in the air about it. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thanks. Okay, friends, per the usual protocol, we're finishing with the last 3 all in one. So this is the blue button-up shirt. I actually really like this. The fit of it's pretty good. It's not too snug on my arms. The length of it, I think, again, same with the tank top, I wish was a little bit shorter, because I think it comes to just kind of a little bit of an awkward place on me. You guys let me know what you think down below. And then we have the slacks, which are surprisingly pretty good fit-wise. They're a little snug in this area, but I think overall seem to fit pretty well. Again, I think I'm just not as thrilled about them because I just bought a pair like 2 weeks ago that literally are very identical. So That being said, I'll probably be sending those back just because, like I said, I don't need 2 pairs of identical slacks. I just don't. It's not a realistic thing to have in my closet because I'll only wear one 90% of the time. And then for one of my favorite things that I got in this box, the blazer. Let's see how this fits. It's probably gonna look a little bunchy because realistically I should probably not be wearing it with this kind of a shirt, but we're gonna give it a go anyways. See what happens. Live life on the edge. Okay, how does this? Okay. Ooh. Yes. Look at me being Little Miss Corporate America. Yeah, okay. I like this, you guys. I think this is really cute. It's not like anything that I have in my closet. I think the fit's a little wide, but I also think partly that's due to what I'm wearing underneath. Ooh. Look at that. I'm so weird. Okay, but yeah, I think this is just super cute. It's fun. I think it's just got a nice vibe. Yeah, I really like this. I think it's really cute. Cool. Okay. Yeah, so I'm really stoked about this and the top, and I'm into it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What do you like? What do you don't like? I want to know. Alright you guys, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed. As always, let me know down in the comments below which items were your favorites, which ones do you think I should keep, which ones do you think I should get rid of. I love to hear you guys' responses down below. As always, thank you so much for liking and subscribing. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!